Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be doing another episode to my entrepreneur series. This is going to be a how I package my local delivery orders. I showed you guys how I package my press-on nails from scratch. I showed you guys how I package my press-on nail orders, like period in general. And now I'm going to show you guys how I package my local deliveries, because I do local deliveries up to 3 or 5 miles within my radius. So if you're interested in seeing how I package my local deliveries, then just keep on watching. So I'm just going to show you guys how I package local deliveries. So I have this blue bag. It is Labor Day weekend and I do have a 20% off sale going. So I got this little blue bag, and then I have some red and white like confetti. So I'm going to throw a little on the bottom of the bag like that. And I'm just going to show you what this customer ordered. So she got our lip scrub in Blue Jay, which is a pretty blue lip scrub. Then she got our lip oil lip scrub bundle. It comes with she got the bling cap one, as you can see, and then the spearmint lip scrub. She got our 20-piece press-on nails in the style Glamming Glitz, and these are in the coffin shape. She got our 20-piece press-on nails in the style Nude Bar. There's like a bling dowel ring finger. And then she got 2 of our glosses. One is Mystic Bronze, which is strawberry scented or flavored, I believe. And then she got Mochalicious, the non-scented one, or non-flavored. So now I'm gonna put everything in the bag. And I do have a bubble mailer here just for certain products, so I'm gonna put the glosses in the bubble mailer. And then I'm gonna seal them. And I have a thank you sticker here. Oh, that worked. I put thank you on it, and they are already wrapped in one of these bags, but just for extra safety or whatever, I put them in the bubble mailer. Put the bubble mailer in, and I'm gonna put the nails in, and then the lip scrubs. So then I'm going to put 3 business cards in, just in case she wants to give them to anyone. So then I have a thank you card that you guys seen already. I'm going to put that in there at the top. And then I will put the rest of the shredded paper on top, just for decoration. Then I have these like special stickers that is like kind of my old design, not really. This is just for my press-on nails, not for like Serenity Rose Beauty. So I will just stick this on the bag. And her bag is complete, and I can go and drop it off because this is a local delivery, not a pickup. I don't do pickups. So yeah, she is ready to go. Okay, so I did forget to mention that I do print out the packing slip and stick it in the bag as well. And before I do that, I just want to highlight everything to make sure that I got everything that she ordered in her order packaged. So we had the Glamming Glitz acrylic press-ons, the Nude Bar press-ons, the Blue Jay lip scrub, Mochalicious and Mystic Bronze lip gloss, and the lip oil and lip scrub bundle. And this way I know that everything is packaged. And then I will just fold it up. Also, her info will be covered. But before I fold it up, I will stick a cute little thank you sticker on the paper. It looks so professionally and certified with the gold little stickers. And I'm just gonna fold it. And fold it again. And then I'm just gonna bring the bag over and stick it in like that. And now it is complete. So now I will see you in the outro. So that is how I package my local delivery orders. If you guys enjoy, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys think, what I can improve. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. And I hope you guys are staying safe and staying blessed. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are. Before I leave, I do want to say I am changing my like branding colors. I love pink. Like, you can't probably see, but my computer setup is pink. If you saw my vanity tour collection organized with me, you know everything on my desk is practically pink. So my bubble mailers will be going to a nice like baby pink. So my brand colors, I want them to be pink, gold, and white, but the main color I want to be pink. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys my inventory unboxing. That should be the next episode of my entrepreneur series because I have so much stuff unboxed and used. I did take pictures and videos of when I first got them, but I needed to use them. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys in my next video because my son is probably spinning around in his room. Bye.